Alrighty, gang, it's your boy King GK here at Newton Effects. I know you guys have a great trading week, but on this video, I'm just gonna give you guys a simple market analysis and what to expect on Nasdaq 100, guys. And please, guys, take notes, guys. We have a crazy week. We just had a crazy week. You can go check out my group in you can go check out my free Telegram group. They are eating as well. They are eating for free, guys. Just check it out. Let me just show you. They are eating for free, guys. So why you're not in the group, guys? Ask yourself why you're not in this free group. Let me just show you guys before we start breaking down this beautiful trade for you guys. So ask yourself why you're not in this free group, guys. Check here, guys. Check here, guys. Let me show you. Let me show you. You see, this is all profits, guys. This is all trades that I was sending out. This is not only results. Just look at this. Just look at this. You see there the US 30 trades, but this is what I'm doing, guys. Look here, this gold setup. You guys can see this gold trade breakdown. Where's the sell? Ah, you see there? You see there? This is basically trades that I'm also trading, guys. Look at this Nasdaq 100 trade, right? It's Nasdaq 100. Where's this? Where's this? You see that? I'm also taking this, guys. So why are not guys basically joining this group? Not for free, guys. It's a free group. Because why? We've been eating in this group every single day, guys. Just look here. Free, 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 guys. Free. It's on free. It's free, guys. It's free. Just look here. Euro USD. And all of this trades is breakdown, guys. Come on, guys. Don't sleep on yourself. So I'm just gonna break down this beautiful market analysis here on Nasdaq 100, guys. So first and foremost, what we can see is that market condition is overall bullish, right? We can see we're in overall bullish. So what I would like to do is just zoom out to a weekly time frame, guys, to just give us more in-depth of what to expect on this market, right? So what I can see right now is that, guys, price is basically respecting this weekly level of support. As you guys can see, this weekly candle. So today is Wednesday, so as you guys can see, this beautiful gap, right? This beautiful week, and price is basically starting to reverse on this area. So what I can tell is that we most likely gonna be bullish, right? We most likely will continue to the upside now and come and test this highs here easily, guys. We'll most likely come and test this highs here easily. So what I will mark is this area as well. I'll mark this area. Is price can come and close above this area, we can most likely see price will swing and reverse to the upside, right, guys? So what I also can mark is, let me just use this for now, is this weekly level, right? You see this weekly level, also a psychological level, right? So you guys can see that. So let's just scale into our daily time frame. So I just want to make it plain simple for you guys. I know a lot of traders and mentors just trying to make this stuff difficult for you guys, and I know you guys is new in the industry. So let me just teach you guys how you guys can do it, right? So what I can see is price is back in this range. This is the range. This is the range, it states and condition of the market. As we can see, what price is basically doing there. So we can mark this area. We can mark this area right here as well. We can also mark, you see this lows, we can mark this lows as well. If price starting to break out of this area, we can most see that price will come and test this area see as well. So let's mark this area as well with this. All right, as you guys can see, this is another area on my daily. So it's another area. So let's scale into 4-hour time frame. Now you guys can see it more clean. All right, the pixels is coming together for you guys right now. The pixels is coming more cleaner for you guys. So as you guys can see right there, bam. Oh, what I can see right now, what's basically forming is this, that price is basically forming this double bottom, right? As you guys can see, a double bottom, right? And you guys can see price was reversing from this level. Price come to the downside, wasn't able to break these lows, and price is basically coming to the upside right now. So this gives us a good sign that price will most likely continue to the upside, right? So if I run my trend line from this low, right, to this from this low to this low, we most likely will see a type of a squeeze on this level, and price can most likely break out to the upside, as you guys can see. So we can see that price is basically this channel. So what I most likely would love to see is if price can break out of this area, and price will come for retracement, and then price will most likely continue to the upside. This is basically what I'm seeing, guys. And if that is basically going to play out, I will run a Fibonacci from this low to this high right there. You guys can see it's a beautiful Fibonacci retracement if price break out of this level of support and come to the downside. But what I can see, what is basically battling us now, right, is this area, right here. This is basically the area that this price is struggling with right now. As you guys can see, we have a lot of rejections from this area. So, and also what I love to see is this squeezing formation, right? You guys can see with the squeezing formation, some call it pennant, but I just call it the squeezing flag. That is an indication that price will most likely continue to the upside. Once price starting to break out of this area, we can most likely see price break out of this area and break out of this beautiful resistance, right? So what I can see is a three pin formation right there. That's right, price was coming to the downside, but now I can see price is squeezing. So price will most likely break out, come to the downside. We run a Fibonacci from this low to this high, right? From this low to this high, and then price would come and retest this area again, and then price will most likely continue to the upside. This is basically what I can see on Nasdaq, guys. So let me jump on GBPJPY. I know you guys love this space, so I'm just gonna break it down for you guys. So yeah, start fresh. Let's start fresh. Let's start fresh. Start from a weekly, right? Start from a weekly. So what I can see right here, guys, is that price is basically trending just at this level of support here on our weekly time frames. You guys can see as well, we have this beautiful bullish engulfing candle. Price come and create another low, but let's see if price can break out of this area. So there I mark this weekly level, right? So now basically I'm gonna drag and make it a zone for you guys. So my weekly levels are bordered with purple, so I can know this is my weekly level. You know, I mark my daily levels in blue, so I don't get confused once I draw it, right? Always tell you guys to mark it. Don't let everybody say your chart is scattered, guys. To be honest, it's your way of trading. Don't you let anybody tell you that your chart looks scattered. It's like, fuck off, man. This is how I'm doing it, and this is what is working for me. So why must I follow you if my stuff is working? So this is the fact, guys. So you guys can see right here, we have this daily level that price most likely will come and test. What I can also can see is we have this area right here, right, with this zone there as well. So let's scale into 4 hour, four more cleaner structure, guys, because why do we have more cleaner structure is always the best, right? We can see why price will most likely come and test these areas. As you can see right there, this low, this high, it's 4 hour. Let's make the board in red. So we always gonna know that it's gonna be it's red, it's 4 hour level. So we can see a lot of trouble here on this weekly level of support, guys. We can see this bullish candle. We can see this bearish candle coming to the down. We can see a doji candle, and we can see a lot of trouble is basically happening in this range. So one thing that I want to teach you guys is basically to use a divergence strategy that I most likely love to apply, and that basically give me more confluence of while I was trading. So I will instance draw this trend line somewhere from here, right? But now I will use my RSI, guys. I will use my RSI, and I will easily see if price is basically trying to price is basically trying to change direction. As you guys can see, this low right here and this low right here is the same here, but this low is lower. But look on the RSI, this low is higher, so that is a sign for direction change, guys. And as you can see, this RSI is basically already climbing, and you can see on your price action is that price is still coming to the downside, but your RSI is basically showing you that price is moving to the upside, guys. So this is a really valuable confluence that you guys can use with your strategy, guys. I know a lot of traders say don't use indicators, but if you have a helping indicator that will help you on your journey, why not use it? I don't understand this, guys, man. So as you guys can see, this is just my same settings. This is just stock settings, guys. I didn't touch any of the settings. I just know what it means for me. You understand? Always use something to know what it means for you as a trader, right? So I know what does this RSI mean to me, right? So that is why I'm using it. So this is why I'm using it, right? Especially if price respecting areas like this, you understand? Especially if price come to a strong level of resistance or support, guys. So let me know in the comments, guys, if you guys want to learn about how to use the RSI correct and how you guys can spot divergence quickly on which time frames, guys. So I will do that video if you guys recommend it. So this setup, as you guys can see right here, is that we know we have a divergence, right? We can see that price is creating this high, right? Price is creating this high. Price come for the downside. To see we have a beautiful area right here. We can say we can mark this area as body, right? This area as body, you can see right there. See this area right there. So what I would love to do is I can see beautiful structures that I will run a trend line from this low, right? Let me just mark it correct for you guys. You guys can see right there. I'll run a trend line from this low to this low, right? And then I will use my Fibonacci from this low to this high, right? Not this high. I will not use this high because why, this was only a week for me and price was closing and price was creating this high. That's why we're using this high. So as you can see, price was creating this low, swing high, price come through retracement, take all of the buy stops out under here, guys, and then price basically creating this level of support, showing us a lot of the rejection from this level. On the strong level, you see how price is respecting this area, this the 240 area, and then price is basically continue now to the upside. Price will most likely come and test this high areas right here, so you guys can see this highs. Price will most likely come and test this areas, guys, easily. That is what I'm seeing on this breakdown, guys. So it's your boy King GK, guys. So please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and enjoy the journey, guys. So tell me what you guys want to see in the comments, guys, and please, guys, don't forget to join our free Telegram group, guys, where I send out free breakdowns on a daily basis for you guys for free. So it's boy King GK here at Newton Effects, and I'm out.